Keisha. Today we're going to do a quick little video of me taking down my hair because as you can see it is busted and disgusted. Look at this. It's about that time. It's about that time. I already cut this side of my hair because it's the side I'm going to start working on. And I got this side. I got 50 braids roughly to take down, so it shouldn't take too long. But yeah, it's kind of, look at this groove. You see this? This is a lot of growth. So these have been in for about 3 months and the time to go. So I'm going to take these down and then need to wash, deep condition, and prep it for a protective style again. So yeah, if you like what you see, keep on watching. Give your girl, sorry I can't talk, a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and join the family. I'm not gonna do too much talking. It's just gonna be taking down my hair, watch the movie, get in the groove. Hope you enjoy. Stay tuned.
I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op?
This is a lip check. I'll put my glasses back on because I can't see. An unofficial lip check. It's my phone right here. Anyway, yeah. I am so sad, disappointed. So my last protective style a couple of months back, I had crochets in my hair and I sewed it into my hair, or did it into my hair and had my hair in like flats. So I was getting to the point where I was at the end of it and tired of taking it down. And I was grabbing the hair and I was watching TV and I grabbed a chunk of fake hair, at least I thought it was. And before I even looked to make sure my hair was in it, I snipped. Girl, your girl cut her hair. So a side of my hair on this side is about maybe that long. I'll show you when I get to it. So we gonna keep these protective styles in until she goes back, okay? Okay? Because we can't have that. That's not cute. That's not cute. Not cute at all. But that's my fault for not paying attention and watching and getting distracted off the show. I was watching HDTV building homes and stuff, and those are my shows. I don't know about nobody else. If you like those kind of shows, let me know. But it was not cool. I cut up, I mean, it was a big old braid, and it was like, I cut it and then I looked inside the hair like, so this is my hair. I looked, this is the fake hair. And I saw this braid just sticking out. I was just like, I was traumatized. It's okay. It's hair. It'll grow back. But still, it looks crazy because one side is all long and then like one part is like short. So, I don't know. Me and crochets into my hair probably not the best thing to do anymore. So I'm going to start just using the wig cap because it is what it is.
rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like working out with Hervey. No way, I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas. Make a U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. Okay, acting no C like I just tried. Ayy, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Ayy, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do. Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all out when they know the truth. I'll cry in the end when she leave and she take your juice. Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Ayy, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Ayy, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Namaste.
Alright, so I am done. This is what my hair is looking like. Let's show you a close up. Hold on. I have my scalp and what it's looking like now. Yeah, this is looking a little dry. Honestly, it's not as dry because I kept keeping it moisturized. I have like this spray I use every time I have a protective style in, but you can see the build up. Ugh. Yeah, the build up is real. No, not too bad. So yeah, I am going to put you down. What's looking like? So yeah, this is my hair after I'm taking it down. These have been in here for 3 months, so it's not that bad, which I'm pleasantly surprised. So now I'm about to wash my hair, deep condition it. I'll show you what I use. Shampoo and conditioner with the avocado and jojoba oil one. So I got that. Use that. Oops. My bad. And then I bought three deep conditioners. They're the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey. I got the one that's intense hydration treatment mask for dry, dehydrated hair. Pure honey comes with its ingredients is pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter plus yogurt. This is what this one looks like. And then I got the strengthening hair mask for dry brittle hair, and it has pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, plus banana. And then the last one is the smooth and frizzy control hair mask for for dry frizzy prone hair. It has pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, plus avocado. So they all got pretty much the same thing, except for the last ingredient, which is either banana, avocado, or yogurt. I'm seeing. Yeah, they all got the same ingredients. And this is what this looks like. I got these at my local Walmart, so I'm going to be using these and this to get this hair together. So yeah, I'll have that video for the next time. So this was just to show you how I take down my protective style, not so much the aftercare. If you want to see that video, please like and comment and subscribe, and you'll see that on the next video. So yeah, I'm done. I'm going to be washing this. Whew. And this took overall maybe 2 hours to take down. So yeah, depending on how I edit it, just know this video was 2 hours long. A long 2 hours. My fingers. Have you ever taken your hair down? Your fingers and your thumbs feel so numb from pinching, and that's how mine feel. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, deep condition it, and do something with it, because we can't be going out like this. We can't. And I'm not gonna be braiding it or putting it up in a protective style no time soon. It's probably just gonna be in some twist until I feel like doing something to it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm just rambling now. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Be blessed. Bye guys.